Time to get naked. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make a toga out of a bed sheet. Okay, so step one. You get your bed sheet, right? You got your bed sheet. You get it, you figure out which way the long way is. And then you fold it, as we say in the biz, hot dog style. Okay? Okay, so now you have a hot dog style, right? So now you get these two corners right here. Do a little knot. And then you do another one. Oh God. Do a knot. And you do a knot again. Okay. Now you got your little... I forgot how to do this. No I didn't. Then you're done. Okay, so you got your hole, right? So you're gonna go in there, and then you're gonna get this little flap, and you're gonna bring it around over here, see? And then you just tuck it in. That's it. Play sicko mode.